My name is Dr. Jain. I joined this course to learn aesthetics, facial aesthetics. I've been looking for some course for quite a while, and this turned out to be a dream come true. And I was given that equal opportunity, and I was treated with the respect that every doctor deserves. All the classes were extremely informative and interactive. So I would say that it was a very good experience, and everybody was quite open to questions, and hands-on was like sir was actually holding our hand and getting the work done. The trichology part was something that is we get queries about, do you do PRP, do you do something for the hair? So that was like I was able to gather a lot of knowledge from both the teachers, not just Dr. Shreyash, but even from sir, because he also discussed a lot of general points with us. Then coming to know about QR 678, which I had no clue about. I just can't wait to use it on myself, also the patients. Thank you IAFCS for all your help, and thank you universe for sending me their message that I was able to do this course. Thank you.